Alright, ladies and gentlemen, yes, you're looking at my boring desktop. But I'm going to go ahead, and this is going to be episode, I believe, number 6 of the Flight Simulator, sorry. And unfortunately, I have decided to film the mission number 5. So I've kind of made a decision to try mission number 5. I'll do 2 attempts on camera, and if we fail the 2 attempts that I have while the camera's running, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and just do it off screen, and then once I defeat it, I will turn on the camera again. So in today's mission, I'm hoping to get number 6 done, which has to do with turbulent weather, believe it or not, but we have not defeated mission number 5. So let's go ahead. I'm going to power on the program for y'all. Sorry, because that's not the program. Here's the program. Again, I apologize, because... Alright, sorry guys. So anyways, here's our normal background. So here we have, looking at our background, so we're going to do 2 attempts on mission number 5. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started here, guys. Wish me luck. Like I said, 2 attempts. If we fail both attempts, we are not going to have the camera rolling. It might just be the camera making me nervous or something. I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try my best. I've heard you guys in the comments down below. Some of you have commented and said, "Hey, Maria, your camera shots are horrible." And I responded to hate comments, which, let me just say, that can be kind of stressful for me, guys. Yeah, I read your comments, and I have decided to try my best. Again, I am filming from a sporty kind of camera, so I apologize if the picture's bad. And I will try my best to film, you know, good for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight, guys. Here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. I'm at the controls. Mission 5, 2 attempts. Here we go. And I'll turn up the volume so you guys can hear. Aw, are you serious? Oh god, guys, this is so making me nervous here. It makes me nervous having to do this mission over, especially on camera. Sorry guys, I know you're like, wow. Sorry guys, I'm not going to bore you out with this mission if I fail it, so... Let's dump the fuel, guys. go, guys. So what I'm going to do for this particular video is I did open up a new YouTube channel, but I'm going to put it on both YouTube channels, guys. Shoot, I'm gonna crash. I did it. You did it. Okay, let's get the camera. Oh my god, I did it. Holy shit. Guys, I'm so sorry. I totally did it. I'm like, yay. Oh my god, guys, I totally defeated the mission, and you guys are like, oh, guys, I did it. I landed. Oh, we have to celebrate this moment by playing a replay for you guys, because obviously I did it off screen. I guess the camera does make me nervous, guys, but let's go ahead and do a replay. There you go, guys. Enjoy the replay. We're going to do Mission 6 today. Just watch my beautiful landing. Whew! I did it, guys. Holy cow. Just look at my turning. Basically what the point was, you have to do 360-degree turn. The poor sick passenger can now get help, which is good. Oh, I better turn it down because I'm not the only one in the house. But look at that steep descent there. That's just like that. Oh. Oh, are you serious? Somebody's calling me on the phone. Good afternoon. Guys, I'm gonna let you watch the replay while I go and answer that. Don't even know where this stupid phone is. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I don't know what the heck my mom wants. You guys keep watching. guys, I'm so sorry. I'm really apologetic to all of you guys, because I am not the only one living in this house. So I apologize for that sudden noise. So hopefully you guys... Oh yeah, you're getting the replay. Just look at that landing. Oh my god, guys look, sorry, I don't mean to like point. Oh my god, what beautiful landing we did. Guys, this is for a 30-minute login, this is beautiful. Guys, just beautiful. Oh my goodness. There you go. We have finally defeated mission number 5 has been completed. So we'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the flight simulator video. Finally defeated mission number 5, guys. All this takes is practice, okay? So, we have defeated it off screen, unfortunately, because, like I said, it was hard to do it on camera. I'm just not good performing in front of camera, I guess. But, wow, it's actually starting to storm here in Chicago right now, and that would be a perfect time to play this next mission, which has to do with violent weather and flying through it. Again, I don't have an instrument rating, so we'll see how I perform in this next mission. Yeah, I'm gonna play for a little bit longer, guys, because I feel like I don't have enough content to make a flight simulator video. For those of you just tuning in, I have decided to make 2 YouTube channels. Which will both have the flight simulator feature on it. I'm going to post it on one tonight and one on the other tomorrow. But make sure you do stay subscribed if you are watching this first channel right here. But anyways, we'll talk more about that later. So definitely going to post this hopefully tonight, but it is starting to storm in Chicago, so I got to be kind of careful. But anyways, let's move on here. So just defeated mission number 5, thank God. It was called the First Aid. Now this next mission, I'm pretty sure is called, something about violent weather. Yeah, it's called Windstorm. Oh god, that's gonna be very fun. Okay, the next mission is called Windstorm, meaning weather conditions are very important during this flight. Learn how to use the weather radar and to check the dangerous areas. So this is more of an instrument rating kind of mission, guys. And this is going to take place at Birmingham Airport, which I think is somewhere in Europe. And I don't have an instrument rating, but I'm going to work on getting one soon. But this is really good practice for those who wants to get an instrument rating. So we're going to do a little bit of mission number 6, which is obviously called the Windstorm mission. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let's go ahead and cut here, and let's get mission number 6 started here. Alright, guys, I'm going to turn... Oh, wow, this is some... Today we're going to land at Birmingham Airport, famous for its wonderful weather, as you can see. Well, that's just nice. We expect wind and rain, so definitely have some choppy air in the forecast here. So here we go, I'll turn up the volume. I can't have it too high because I have people like... Whoa! Okay, sorry, I have like people here and they're going to think I'm crazy, so... So here we go. So guys, it's pretty much the same thing as before. I have to try to land this thing in this kind of nasty weather. But this radar does tell you guys that, see, hopefully I can land it in this kind of weather. Again, I don't mind taking this mission tomorrow. Oh wow, this actually does make it harder. Sorry guys. Like I said, I've never flown in bad weather before. Oh wow, look what this weather is doing to the plane. Holy shoot. Guys, look what it's doing now. Okay. I don't know if I'm in line now, because I was just messed up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do this over. Yeah, I'm probably too high. Alright guys, hold on. Hopefully I'm getting in the picture, guys. I had to literally pass the runway. So. Reducing thrust though, guys, it really does. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn a little bit. Well, this was just making my plane move differently. Wow. It's just like a car. You totally feel different when you're driving. You know, like in bad weather. This is what this mission's about. It's kind of hard. Oh, wow. I can see the plane literally shaking. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys are seeing it on my camera. Like I said, my camera is a sporty camera, so you probably aren't catching it really well. What a perfect day. Bad weather in Chicago, bad weather in my game. That's really perfect. Whoa. Quit sucking my plane, you foolish weather. This is just like literally forcing the plane to go down. Okay, I'll turn down the thrust. Guys, as you can tell, I'm gonna try raising the nose. I have to do like a professional pilot, guys. I really have to land this sucker. I know I'm too high. I'm trying to get it down like that. Oh shoot, there's one thing I forgot. Guys, I totally forgot my stupid flaps. I keep forgetting those. I'll go ahead and turn them on. I don't know if I'm doing that. Let me go ahead and pause the game real quick. Let's see, because I feel like my camera's not filming right. Oh no, it actually is. Okay. I just want to make sure. Let me cut the rope. Alright guys, sorry about the sudden pause. I wanted to make sure my camera was focused on the game. Because like I said, I've had some people tell me that I do some horrible filming. So I'm extremely sorry. Just want to make sure. Wow, this is crazy, guys. I know I'm not in the right position. I forgot my flaps, guys. That's kind of weird. But there's the runway. We need to try to align. Definitely a very very shaky aircraft we're definitely in right now. Yeah, pilots like you are definitely not in the right position. I know that. I'm trying to do a turn here. At least this time we don't have the sick passenger in there, which is good news. Okay, we know our flaps are down to 40. Okay, we want to stall the aircraft. I apologize for that sudden deep dive. Hopefully I don't get any people sick of the plane. Whoa, did you guys see that shake? Oh my god. It's gonna make the poor passenger sick, I know that. I know I'm going too fast. Yeah, probably we're not gonna make it, guys. Was that lightning? I'm sorry, I'm like... I don't know if that was the game or if that was actual Chicago. God, guys, we're forgetting everything now. Alright, guys, this time I got everything. The flaps, I've got the landing gear. Because I can't land without the landing gear. It's a good thing that I remember that, because it doesn't tell you now. So we'll keep this, if we can keep this altitude, that would be great. Okay, and there's our runway. So now we have to get in line again, guys. Also, this game, I just realized, is mostly landing, which is kind of cool. Last mission had like a takeoff, and this one has landing, which is really good practice. But at least I know when I go to real training, it's going to tell you how weather is going to affect landing and stuff, but this is good practice. So. But yeah, I'm going to post this on my other channel, I'm thinking, because, you know, the other channel, never mind, what am I even, yeah, sorry. So far my plane's looking good. Like, the landing gears and the flaps are ready, but now I have to, like... I hate when I reduce thrust and this plane starts shaking again. Ugh. Stalling. My camera, stop recording. Okay, here we go, guys. Alright guys, here we go. We're actually going to turn on the landing gear and everything real quick. Oh! I feel like there's like lightning outside right now physically in Chicago. There's no mouse. Oh. So they're telling us to avoid the area where it's crazy. Keep the thrust levels going, guys, because I think that's what's keeping the plane up. And plus, if I'm actually heading right into the eye of the storm right now. Yeah, holy crap, we're like almost right under the eye of the storm. Right, there we approach it. Here it comes, guys, we're right under the cloud. We're just about to approach it. This makes me nervous, like right when we're under the damn storm. I'm gonna try to stay higher. What time is it? Oh, I gotta go, guys. Alright, last try for today, guys. We will continue Mission 6 tomorrow, only because of the little time that I have available. I apologize to all of you guys. That's all we need now is microbursts. here we go, guys. Even though I've got full thrust. I should probably be a little higher. I know he's saying... Oh, here we go, guys. It's making me nervous. Let me see if I can avoid that. Oh, God, that made me nervous. Is this the last take? I'm sorry, I had to cut. My camera's slow at like stopping the recording, so it kind of sucks. Hey, it's a good camera, but it's just... Guys, I'm going to do a different landing approach this time. Instead of following the squares, because it makes it difficult, I think that there's another way to land at the airport. So there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'll follow this path. I'm going to make a turn later. And I will land another way instead, because here's... Yeah, if we can try avoiding that bad weather, which keeps moving. Well, at least I avoided the, what's it called, the microburst. Because right here, guys, shows you where the bad weather is. And I see the runway. So what I'm trying to do is land in another way. If I can. If not, I will continue this mission. Wait, I think I could probably do another recording tomorrow. But we're definitely out of the storm, which is good news. Oh, the runway's right there, you serious? I thought I, like, went far from it. Well, actually, now I can possibly avoid the windstorm. No! I think I felt my thing pushing me down. Are we right under... Oh, we're right under some really bad weather. Okay, we're out of it now. God, guys, we're gonna have another microburst coming our way here. And try to stay high up. No, I think we're gonna make this the runways right there. No, it's raining in Chicago as of right now. I find that kind of funny. Whoa. Stop that. I'm like, what, at 8,000 feet? Okay, because Windstorm doesn't want to let go of us, does it? Really, the runway's like right there. I got it done before. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna have to cut this short though because I gotta go do something. You know, I'm not sure when I'm gonna defeat this mission, but I will do another. Hopefully, if I'm not too busy, I'll do another broadcast of this. Maybe I'll do a 2 or 3 day broadcast, depending on how I perform. Because I think I could probably defeat this tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna have to cut it here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. Hold on. Here we go. So I want to apologize to all of you right now for pausing it. I actually have to go somewhere right now, and I have work I need to get done. So I'm gonna have to cut the video here. I am very sorry, guys. This video is probably really short, but we will continue mission number 6 tomorrow, which is the Windstorm mission. I hope that y'all enjoyed this, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.